The viral debate sparked by Dr. Puneet comparing popcorn and Makhana touches a massive nerve in India's modern wellness culture. Makhana, fox nuts or lotus seeds, has been an Ayurvedic staple and a fasting superfood for centuries, while popcorn is often relegated to the category of Western cinema indulgence. Hearing a medical professional dethrone a beloved traditional food in favor of popcorn is inherently disruptive, which is exactly why the video caught fire online. However, when you strip away the cultural bias and look strictly at the biochemical realities, the doctor's claims regarding calories, carbohydrates, and fiber are grounded in fact, provided you understand the crucial concepts of energy density and volume eating. To really understand what's going on, we have to pull both of these snacks apart and examine how they behave not just on a nutritional label but inside the human digestive system. The nutritional showdown. By the numbers. To understand the core of the doctor's argument, we need to compare them directly. Food comparisons can be tricky because we eat by volume, bowls, handfuls, but nutrition science measures by weight, grams. Here is what happens when we compare 100 grams of both, assuming raw or air-popped without added oils or butter. Nutrient, per 100 g, air-popped popcorn, plain Makhana, fox nuts, calories, 387 kcal, 347 kilocalories, protein, 13.0 g, 9.7 g, carbohydrates, 78.0 g, 76.9 g, dietary fiber, 14.5 g, 7.6 g, fat, 4.5 g, 0.1 g. At a glance of the 100-gram breakdown, you might notice a discrepancy. Makhana actually has slightly fewer calories and roughly the same carbohydrates by weight. So, how can the doctor claim popcorn is lower in calories and carbs? The answer lies in volume. 100 grams of Makhana is about 3 cups. 100 grams of air-popped popcorn is an enormous 12 to 13 cups. When a person sits down to eat a bowl of snacks, they don't weigh out 100 grams. They fill a standard bowl. A 1-cup serving of popcorn weighs a mere 8 grams, about 30 calories and 6 g of carbs. A 1-cup serving of Makhana weighs about 32 grams, about 110 calories and 24 g of carbs. Therefore, bowl for bowl, popcorn gives you fewer calories and fewer carbs while taking up the exact same amount of physical space in your stomach. Deconstructing the claims. Why popcorn wins for weight loss. Dr. Puneet's recommendation hinges entirely on the mechanics of weight management. If the goal is strictly to drop body fat by sustaining a caloric deficit without feeling starved, popcorn is a masterclass in dietary engineering. 1. The fiber factor. The most striking claim in the video is that popcorn has double the fiber, and the 100 g comparison proves this is absolutely correct, 14.5 g versus 7.6 g. Fiber is the unsung hero of weight loss. Because the human body cannot digest dietary fiber, it passes through the stomach and intestines largely intact. Satiety. Fiber absorbs water and expands in the gut. This triggers the gastric stretch receptors in the stomach, sending signals to the brain via the vagus nerve that you are full. Insulin regulation. A high-fiber snack slows down the absorption of carbohydrates into the bloodstream, preventing the massive blood sugar spikes that lead to subsequent crashes and sugar cravings. Microbiome health. The insoluble fiber in popcorn acts as a broom for the digestive tract, while its soluble parts feed the beneficial bacteria in your gut. 2. The science of volume eating. Volume eating is a dietary strategy that focuses on foods that contain a high amount of water or air, allowing you to consume large portions for relatively few calories. Popcorn is essentially a delivery mechanism for trapped air. When the moisture inside a popcorn kernel heats up, it turns to steam, pressure builds, and the endosperm explodes outward, creating a snack that is physically massive but calorically empty. For a chronic snacker who needs the physical motion of moving their hand to their mouth to relieve stress or satisfy a habit, like while watching a movie, popcorn allows them to do this 50 or 60 times for less than 100 calories. Doing the exact same motion with Makhana would yield 3 to 4 times the caloric intake. The case for Makhana. Why it remains a superfood. If popcorn is superior for caloric restriction and fiber, why are some people upset by the doctor's video? Because nutrition is multidimensional, and weight loss is only one metric of health. What Makhana lacks in sheer volume, it makes up for in an incredibly dense micronutrient profile. Makhana, derived from the seeds of the Euryale plant, a type of water lily cultivated heavily in the ponds of Bihar, is functionally a nutritional powerhouse. 1. The calcium and magnesium matrix. While popcorn is relatively poor in certain minerals, Makhana is exceptionally rich in calcium, magnesium, and potassium. Calcium, essential for bone density, especially vital in Indian diets where dairy might be limited by lactose intolerance or vegan choices. Magnesium, a critical mineral for over 300 biochemical reactions in the body, including nerve function, muscle relaxation, and regulating heart rhythms. Potassium helps balance sodium levels, making it excellent for blood pressure regulation. 2. Anti-aging and anti-inflammatory properties. Makhana is incredibly rich in specific flavonoids, most notably camphorol. This is a powerful antioxidant that protects cells from oxidative stress and free radical damage. Camphorol is heavily studied for its anti-aging properties and its ability to reduce chronic inflammation. 3. Low sodium and negligible fat. In its raw state, Makhana has virtually zero fat, 0.1 g per 100 g, and almost zero sodium. It is an incredibly clean carbohydrate source. For individuals managing hypertension or advanced cardiovascular disease, a clean source of energy without the risk of heavy fat oxidation is invaluable. 4. The Ayurvedic perspective. In Ayurveda, Makhana is considered to have snigdha, oily/unctuous, and vrashya, aphrodisiac/vitality-boosting properties. It is believed to balance Vata and Pitta doshas. It is easy to digest, which is why it is the go-to food during Navratri and other fasting periods when the digestive fire, Agni, is considered delicate. Popcorn, with its very high load of insoluble whole fiber, can actually trigger